We are a relatively young business. Zencoder's been around for about 2.5 years. Before that, we'd been in cloud encoding for a while. We worked with On2 Technologies to build their cloud encoding platform, FlixCloud. And then from there, we started Zencoder. The Brightcove acquisition is really exciting for us and for our customers because we're able to keep doing what we're doing. We're able to keep our product going, keep working with the same customers, and really at the same time also accelerate our go-to-market by using the Brightcove team, the Brightcove brand. So we had about 1,000 customers on our own. A lot of those were technology companies, startups. We tended to do really well there because that's what we were. We were a startup, pretty well connected in the technology world, but we didn't have quite the presence in the enterprise that Brightcove has. So we did have some enterprise customers. We had a few broadcasters like PBS, but we had a lot of startups, a lot of internet companies.
So let me ask you this. There's a lot of discussion about encoding on the box locally versus in the cloud, and things are sort of shifting around. Where does that mix stand now, and where might it go, in your opinion?
I imagine the amount of transcoding that's done in the cloud right now is really small on an absolute terms, maybe, 5-10%, let's say. I think it's going to be 90% in 5 or 10 years from now. There's a lot of reasons why the cloud makes sense for transcoding. One, you can get better performance by being able to always have the right number of resources. You can basically drive queuing down to 0. Two, you can get better geographic distribution and better, I think ultimately better sort of bandwidth utilization because you can transcode close to where your content is and close to where you need to send it. And finally, transcoding is an extremely bursty workload. It's pretty much the poster case for cloud computing. A typical customer will go throughout the course of a day from needing 0 servers to needing a large number and up and down and up and down. And if you end up buying your own hardware for that, you have a lot of underutilized servers, or you have long queue times while stuff is going through the system. Right now we run everything on Amazon EC2, except for some sort of backup systems and some other things for reliability. EC2 is great. It's the most mature cloud offering. They have fast servers, 7 different data centers or 7 regions around the world. But we're also starting to work with Google Compute Engine, and we're excited to have another platform to work with. And in 2012 and 2013, we'll probably be deploying to a few custom data centers as well. Yeah, it's an exciting time for video. Video is obviously growing significantly, and it's also changing. The way video is delivered and viewed is being disrupted right now. So it's fun to be a part of that.